When you've received your invite to access the preference portal, click the link and you'll be taken to this home page. To start making your preferences, then click the Preferences tab. In this portal, you can use specific filters to find the people that are most aligned with your business requirements. So you can either search for a specific company. From this perspective, you can see people that align with the product that you're looking for. Indeed, the destinations that you're looking for specifically within the UK and Ireland, and you can put the preference of how they're ordered. Alternatively, if you want to see the full list, just click search without any of the filters applied, and you see the full list of people there. And for more information about these people, you can just click the I symbol and you get the information about the company attending, as well as the breakdown of their source market targets, etc. Once you're happy with those, you can add those to the right-hand side. And this starts your list of up to 30 preferences that you select, put across onto the right-hand side, and ensure that then you put in order of preference, 1 being the top priority. And then you don't have to save. You can just sign off at the end of this process and all of your preferences will be auto-saved. So make sure to have a look down. Do use the filters in case that helps narrow your selections down.